you for, girl, no, no. You don't have to feel no pressure. We got all the night, no stress, girl. I will make you scream.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michelle. So let's get into the beautiful wig that you just saw me wearing. Today's gorgeous number is brought to you by the letter N for Nadula. And I have another beautiful unit from them I'm going to share with you guys in a later video. But it's the V part, and that's an excuse to wear my hair out because, girl, the strands! I have been taking such good care of my hair. When I tell you, I was so shocked. Listen, I went through a period of not really caring what my hair was doing, but not deviating from my routine. The crazy thing about it is I'm not even gonna show you right now because I'm not about to take this wig cap off. But let me tell you something. Two things that have really changed my hair length retention is grease. Okay, that's it. All right, end the video. Grease! I went back to grease. As soon as I get in the shower, I make two ponytails. I Pocahontas style braid my hair up and I slather them braids. Yes, ma'am. Yes, I do. And my hair has gotten so long, it's making me want to do a natural hair video, okay? So things have been happening. Things have been percolating underneath the bonnets and the wigs. So here is the satin dust bag that came in my box, and that is for storage. And here is the hair. She's long, y'all. So this one is HD lace, and she's 24 inches, and we're gonna have fun. This hair is long. Look how long this hair is. They package up these wigs so nice. It's like unwrapping a present. So here is the hair, and she looks like a lot of fun. So I went ahead, I flipped the wig inside out. This is a 7x5 right here. So you got plenty of parting space. And then let's get into the features. We have the elastic strap, stretchy. You got this silicone strip right here. I love how I talk about the safety features of a wig, like it's about to save your life or something. Then right here, there is the movable elastic, so you can switch positions if you need it a little bit tighter. Adjustable straps in the back. It's got a nape comb, and you can see that the lace is already cut. So let's go ahead and plop her on after doing my adjustments. Plus of time, spotlight on the lace, HD lace. Okay, so I wanted you guys to see how much parting that you get with this 7.5. So this is where the track starts. So you get a good portion starting from here all the way over to about right here. And it's been pre-plucked and pre-bleached. Dang, you can really see the fact that I ain't got no stocking cap right here. So it's already looking crazy natural after I put it on. I'm gonna go ahead, wait. I wanna show them Aspen. I was about to show you guys how long the hair was, but I was attacked by a ferocious banicula by the name of Aspen who is eating my rope. This is Danny's baby. Say hi. That was a nice little visit. Danny went ahead and took her back. She loves Aspen. She is very protective over her though. Bella is not touching Aspen. Anyway, let me show you how long this hair is for. So without doing anything, it's giving Lady Godiva, all right? I should be on a horse naked on the beach. Please look up Godiva. I'm not losing my mind. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I install my wig. It is super quick, no muss, no fuss, all right?
Cause I'm playing with I'm playing with I realize that I'll never learn, and I realize that I probably burn. Cause I'm playing
So I think that's pretty secure. I haven't yanked on anything yet. I'm gonna use this sculpting mousse that I got from Aussie, and then I'm going to use my wig elastic bands. Okay, I'll be right back.
Hey, pretty baby, pretty baby.
ahead, I'm gonna let this sit for about 15-20 minutes. That is the key to a good melt, making sure that it is completely dry. So I'm gonna let that sit for as long as possible, go run some errands, yell at the kids. And once that is completely dry, the only thing left to do is styling. But it's already styled, so I don't know, some mousse and some water, that's all we have left. I don't know, but I'll be back. All right, lovelies, she's back. Hopefully this is dried and I am not about to embarrass myself in front of all of you lovely people. All right, let's see how it did. Melt. Girl. All right, that looks incredible. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do my parts and then we're gonna get into styling. I'm gonna go ahead and try to tame these flyaways that are up here with my spray wax and my hot comb, and then I'm gonna show you the full end.
No, we'll take it to the top, girl, yeah, yeah. We can do it all night long. Yeah. Oh, baby.
All right, so this is how much volume you have. Remember, this is 24 inches with this wig when it is dry. I'm gonna take it to its wet state so I can activate. Take it to its wet state, activate, okay. Anyway, here's the length. She is perfect just like this, but of course I'm gonna be a little bit extra. I'm gonna spray with some water and then I'm gonna use my mousse and my diffuser to set the wave. So you can definitely see a difference in the curl pattern of the hair when it's wet versus when it is dry. This obviously has a lot more volume. This is a lot more controlled and subdued. I'm going to go ahead and diffuse in an upward motion, and I'm going to scrunch and lift the hair while I dry it.
Oh, baby, you're so beautiful. You don't have to feel the pressure. We got all the night, no stress, girl. All right.
It's pretty much dry, and this is the texture that we are left with, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Watashi wasta. So that's basically it. That's the hair. I mean, it looked amazing when I pulled it out of the bag. This obviously was an extra step. You by no means have to bust out your mousse. Okay, you don't have to break out the dryer. You don't have to. I just like to be a little extra with things. But I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna give you guys some close-ups of the texture and some more lens shots. So I gotta say, hours after I filmed this video, I wore this hair for a few days and it got so much more natural looking, but the curls pretty much stayed subdued. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you, Nadula Hair, for sending me this gorgeous wig. All the information about this wig will be in the description box below, and leave me a comment and I will talk to you guys later.